Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up any Xiaomi Mi Wi-Fi router as a repeater. Heads up before we start, guys, if you intentionally purchase the Xiaomi Mi router to use it as a repeater, as a range extender, you might want to return it and purchase some other brand, because I still can't find the way to access the configuration panel after the initial setup window is closed. I tried to use the information from the user manual, which works for the router mode but doesn't work for the extender mode. I tried to look for IP address in my main router configuration menu. In other words, I tried everything I know, but I think the only way to manage this router in the extender mode is to use their application, which can be installed by scanning this QR code. But as you can see, this app isn't available for your device because it was made for an older version of Android, and it's very disappointing to me, because if you are worldwide tech giant, you have to support your applications worldwide. By the way, they have a Chinese version of this application. It works, but it's in Chinese. So now, anyway, let's go ahead. I'll show you how to connect this baby as an extender, and if you are a Chinese speaker, you can download the application and manage it in your smartphone. So, if your extender was connected by cable before, you have to reset it. So here on the back panel, you have the reset button. So press and hold this button for about 3 seconds until you see the amber power indicator. That's it. Now wait for this indicator to start glowing solid blue. Let's go back here and just wait for the blue color here. So once you see the blue indicator here, you can continue on your smartphone. By the way, the same thing works on a laptop, Mac or PC, never mind. I will just show you on the smartphone. You can repeat the same steps on any device. So first of all, connect your device to the Xiaomi network. Go to Wi-Fi settings. In your Wi-Fi settings, find the Xiaomi network. If you don't see this network here, just be patient and wait for it to appear here. Oh, here it is. Xiaomi something 5G. That's it. Let's connect. Connected, and it automatically takes us to the welcome screen. Here you need to click to select the country. I'm in Czech Republic currently. Tap on next and agree to the terms and conditions. Oh no, I don't want to read it. I just want to agree. I have to do it anyway, whatever it means. Try it now. No home network cable found, and that's because I haven't connected it, because I wish to use wireless connection. So you see this message and you need to scroll all the way down and tap on this sentence, continue setup without connecting a network cable. Let's tap on this and tap on router mode. Next, wireless relay mode. You need to select this option and scroll down. Tap on next. And here you need to select which network do you want to extend. So if you have a 2-band router like my router, you need to choose just one band. For example, select 5 GHz, and the system automatically will extend both of them. So now you have to enter your current Wi-Fi password. Unfortunately, I still haven't found a way how to change this password later. And that's it. This is your summary. You have new network. It's named same as your main router's network, but with plus added to the end. And now you can go to Wi-Fi settings and wait for this new network to appear here. Let's try to refresh. Once again, just be patient and wait. It's going to appear. Well, here it is, my Wi-Fi 5 GHz 5G. Let me connect to this network. The password is the same as for your main router. Tap on save. Connecting. Well, now it's connected to my Wi-Fi 5 GHz plus 5G. That's okay. Let's test the speed. Yeah, the speed is very good, but the deal breaker for me is that I really can't figure out how to enter the admin panel of this baby when I'm using it as a repeater. If you know how to do it, comment below. And that's all for today. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.